The economic reforms that we pursued have been unprecedented in terms of the scope and the magnitude that we have pursued, and that the net impact of all of these reforms is not just going to be additive, it's in fact going to be multiplicative. And particularly once the interest rate cycle turns, then interest rates start to come down in India. I think the net effect of all of that on the economy and business activity is going to be quite profound. The first step was to try and get these bills passed in Parliament. We were successful, obviously, in the Lok Sabha, where we have a majority, but in the Rajya Sabha, through a variety of actions, filibusters, etc., it was not possible to get these bills passed. So what we have done as a next step, therefore, is to have them be passed as ordinances. These ordinances will be presented to Parliament in the budget session, and we will try to get them passed there. The fact is that the people of India have sent us here with a decisive mandate, and that is why I think ultimately it will become untenable for the opposition to continue to pursue the obstructionist route that they're pursuing right now. Most of the large business groups in India right now are dealing with a variety of stuck installed projects, that their balance sheets are quite leveraged, and therefore to expect very substantial new investments from them under the circumstances would not be wise. Therefore, what we are pursuing is to see whether there are ways that we can unlock public investment and in a sort of Keynesian way try to get the economy into a higher growth trajectory. So we are looking at a variety of alternatives to be able to unlock public investment as well, and in fairly substantial terms, anywhere, hopefully in the next fiscal year of between, let's say, $25 to $50 billion. Right now, manufacturing is only 15% of GDP. For us to have a balanced economy, we certainly have to bring manufacturing up to 25-30% of GDP, just so that we have the ability to be able to cater to domestic demand, which will, of course, continue to rise. We think that there's a range of industries that are going to be the industries of the future, whether it is in solar home systems, solar lanterns, various solar-powered appliances, whether it's LED lighting, whether it is small car manufacturing. I think we'll see very interesting opportunities in affordable medical devices. I think what you'll find is that as Indian entrepreneurs and business people really get to work on this, they will start to develop entirely new industries that really take advantage of India's comparative advantages.